Hello fellow teacher candidates and teachers. Today we're going to explore Class Dojo. It's a communication app for the classroom. It prides itself on having a simple way to build an amazing classroom community. You can see right down here there are a few places people can go for teachers, parents, students, and school leaders. We're going to go into the teacher portion of this today. We're going to go ahead and look at the demo class. You can add your classroom here really easy. It just asks for like your class name and the class year. Within the demo class, there's a classroom. If you click on that, it'll list all your students, and then you also have a whole class possibility there. Within each student, you can, during class, it gives you an opportunity to give them classroom points as a type of behavior management option. If you notice someone is helping others, you can send them a quick point acknowledging that they're being helpful or they're staying on task, participating, being persistent. You can also add additional skills if you would like, things that you feel are of value in the class, and randomly throughout the class, just send the student a little positive reinforcement. You know, just this person is working hard. Yay for Beyonce. You can also go into the whole class and say that everybody is being very persistent. And then you sent persistent points to the entire class. I was thinking that you could also create, groups, like table groups, and send points to table groups for, participating, working hard, staying quiet, a multitude of things. The next portion of this app is portfolios. In here you can actually create an activity for students to complete, and they would go online and complete whatever the activity was. I put in a picture says 1,000 words, so have them take a picture and then tell a story about the picture. And then you can see who's done it, who's not done it, and how many students received it. You can make adjustments to the assignment here. As far as communicating with the parents in this class story, you can keep parents informed of the things that are happening in class by taking pictures, photos, updates parents. It's kind of like a Facebook post, so the parents can kind of see what's going on and what the kids are up to in the class that day. And then this last section is just for messages. So it's just an email, way that you can communicate, another way that you can communicate with parents if, that works for you. So a brief little overview of Class Dojo and how it worked. I hope you all enjoy. Thanks.